you can see that. This right here is a graveyard. My friend is terrified. They're killing the fire. Whoa, 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 did you hear that? Tonight, dear brothers and loved sister, we are going on a very nice late night ride. I have here the Ridstar Q20 Pro and she has the KuKirin G3 Pro going on here. Apparently, there is no female audience on this channel, I don't know why. Maybe I should make content such that girls should also enjoy it. Any ideas? Let me know in the comments. 100% of you guys are males and that's awesome because you are my bros. It is not really cold, the weather is perfect for riding. I am really curious to see if we are going to find anything crazy. I've never been this late in the forest so far, so yeah, if you just want to chill and clicked on this video, then you are in the perfect position. For the first time, I'm chilling. Damn bro, the G3 Pro is so sexy at night, but this big boy, man, this is just as nice as a sunrise right here. I don't know why, but this temperature makes my goggles really foggy and I can't see with my visor on. That sucks, man. The microphone sounds better with this thing on. Man, the G3 Pro is so nice. I mean, just look at it. It's so sexy with all the lining in the back and all that. Looks like the sun just went down. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Nighttime, baby. Man, this thing is flying. Let's go. Where's my friend? Oh, there she is. It is quite a long way to the green forest, but I really hope the temperature does not get lower than this because I'm only wearing a hoodie and a t-shirt. In the forest, the temperature is lower. Well, all of a sudden, the road is... I guess we're just going forward. Jesus, man, where am I going? I don't know why Google Maps is recommending me this road. I'm usually going on the street. I didn't want it to expose my friend to the cars, you know? So that's why we are going on this trail. You know what? Fuck that road. We are going on the street. That was not the best experience for my friend because I have this bike. I can do anything with it. But the scooter has small wheels and it's not that easy to ride it. Looks like I've got a cold or something. I don't like it, man. Bro, what the fuck is happening here? What is that fire right there? What? I don't know if you can see that, but man, that's a fire going right there. Jesus, man. And this right here is a graveyard, so I don't know why would the fire be there. Bro, we are going into the graveyard. I want to see this fire. I'm here with the dead people. God damn it, what am I doing? This feels so creepy. My friend is terrified, but man, I want to see this fire. I've never been in a graveyard at this time. What the f, man? Forest ride turns into graveyard ride. Do you want to turn off this fire? I'm just going to leave my bike here. Yo, what's happening here? They're killing the fire. Man, that's awesome. I've never been in such an event. Man, the fire is gone. How cool is that, man? What we are witnessing here is a goddamn fireplace in a graveyard. Oh, it's getting so hazy. Yo, let's run out of this graveyard. I'm shitting my pants right now. I was not expecting this at all, man. Yeah, call me crazy. I went in the graveyard at this hour. I really wanted to see that fire. Man, that was such an experience. We are reaching the forest right now and hopefully nothing more crazy will happen anymore because I am not ready for it. So we just arrived in the forest. I switched the frame rate to 25 frames per second. I know it's not that smooth, but at least you will be able to see something. Let's dive into the forest, shall we? Ooh, what is that car right there? Usually people bring here their cars together with their females to test the suspension, if you know what I'm saying. Can you see the stars on the sky? They're so nice. Yeah, we should go forward, my friend. Will you do the honors? Nah, stay back, man. I'm going first. Just kidding, go ahead. Do you even think this is a good idea? Shall we dive into the forest at this time? Oh, man. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we are moving. Those headlights are so nice. I'm really glad that we have them. If you don't have lights here, you are dead. You can't see shit. The road is really nice, so that's a plus. We are going to traverse the entire forest right now. We just have to go forward continuously. Fun fact, we can see everything in front of us. But man, there is absolute darkness behind us. Jesus, man, it's so dark. I'm 21 years old. I should not be afraid of going forward. I just have a weird feeling that somebody's chasing us. I don't know why. Oh man, this was supposed to be a chill ride. Maybe I just have to get used to these kind of conditions. I feel like I'm in a horror movie right now. Don't you guys? It started to feel so cold right now. Man, I'm freezing. Do we still know the way home? Well, looks like my friend also started to be scared. We should not be scared of what we don't see though. I just realized that this is the perfect video for Halloween. I forgot about Halloween. I didn't know that. Hey, yo, it's Halloween. Man, our signal is down here. Okay, not gonna lie, this is the scariest ride of my life. We are reaching the end of the forest, but man, my heart is pumping hard right now. Man, I can see something moving in front of us. Yo, is that a guy? Man, I'm scared to death right now. What is that thing? That should be a guy, right? I hope that guy is friendly. Looks like he has a reflective vest going on. Oh, he's running. Okay. Salut. Okay, looks like that guy was friendly after all. I got scared for nothing. I mean, I don't know what to expect when I'm in the middle of the forest. People could just wait me in the bushes with all the swords going, with rifles, with goddamn knives. After all, I'm in Romania, I should not forget that. This is a peaceful city and all that, but man, we reached the end of the forest. My friend is right there. Let's go! We survived the forest! This task got me done. Man, this ride was awesome. It was a little bit scary, cold as but man, it was worth it. Yeah! We are out of the forest and I'm really glad that we are back to civilization right now. Oh man, it feels so nice to have light around you. I want to explore this place. I really hope security is not here. Last time when I've got here, the security was like, nope, you are not going anywhere. Maybe it's worth a shot. Let's see if we can reach it. There is no security. Ooh. Man, the view is so nice. This parking lot is just awesome. I mean, just look at this place. Come on. You can see the entire town. Now it's kind of dark and you can't see anything. But man, this is so beautiful. Let's try to have a better view. I don't know if you can see that. This building has a swimming pool and under it has gym. This neighborhood is so fancy. But still, I would rather have a house. It's been a while since I've been here and I feel so lucky. I don't know if security is on us though. Looks like there are two people. I don't know what they want from my life. Oh, they found us. Come on. Man, that's so unlucky. They also came here to take some pictures for this beast. But security won't allow it. Man, that sucks. I mean, just look at this beast. That guy had such a cool bike. Yeah, you're not allowed here. You cannot be here. This is private parking. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? If you've never done it before, man, take your scooter, your bike, your anything. Get out and ride it. It is just another dimension. Yo, this place is sick. I love this bike. There is a new scooter coming on the channel and trust me, you are not prepared for it. It has so much power. Man, it's crazy. Let's go under this tunnel. Full speed. I still cannot believe how good of a deal this bike is. Just for $1,600, you get so much power, dual battery, a huge amount of range. That's awesome, man. Check the link in the description and use code GOW10 if you want 10% off for this bike. I still have no idea if this bike can go faster than 52 kilometers an hour or 53. It has the controller under the seat, but there is a chance that this thing has a green wire that's waiting to be cut off. You know, the servos have it and if you cut it, it unlocks the power. But I don't know if this thing has anything like that. I should check it out because I can feel that this can go faster. It just cuts off at some point. A lot of you guys are in between the G4 and the G2 Master, and for solving this, I have a special video coming next week where you will have a clear idea which one to get. A lot of you guys are writing me on Instagram and ask me, yo, you have them. Which one is better, the G4 or the G2 Master? And it's really hard to answer because both of them are great, but on different fields. Can we just take one moment and appreciate how beautiful this bike is, man? And just look at it. It looks so mean. Give me a better deal than this. The thing that I love about this city, you can find a lot of people on the street, even though it's late outside. And this place, man, all those light bulbs. Yo, this guy is vibing. He has the G2 Max. That's also a really sexy scooter. I don't have it, but a lot of people do and they enjoy it a lot. Am I weird for chasing and recording people? Let's do a quick burnout on this glossy surface. Oh! Holy, that's powerful. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. You are absolutely amazing. And stay tuned.